Knee osteoarthritis often causes pain and limits mobility. Total knee replacement surgery has continuously evolved as a treatment option. Today, the VELYS Robotic-Assisted solution is enhancing this procedure, making knee replacement surgery more precise, safer, and allowing for a faster recovery. It has the ability to deliver personalized alignment for each patient. VELYS is a fourth-generation robotic system that assists surgeons in performing highly accurate knee replacement surgeries. It evaluates and balances the knee joint according to each patient's unique anatomy, displaying real-time surgical positioning on a computer screen while controlling the instruments to stay precisely within the designated area. The following are the benefits of VELYS Robotic-Assisted solution. First, it generates a personalized 3D model of each patient's knee. Second, supports precise preoperative assessment of joint abnormalities. Third, it continuously monitors leg alignment and joint stability in real time during surgery. Fourth, it enhances accuracy in implant positioning. Fifth, it minimizes trauma to surrounding tissues. Sixth, it lowers the risk of surgical complications. Seventh, enables faster recovery with reduced pain. 8. Prolongs the functional lifespan of the implant. 9th. Restores movement to be as close to natural as possible. With VELYS Robotic-Assisted solution, we are not simply replacing a knee. We are restoring our patient's quality of life at the very heart.